how to set the calendar notifications to full screen alert with long sound on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the calendar app. Then tap on the menu button on the top left corner. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on alert type. In here, make sure you set it to strong. By default, it is set to medium, so set it to strong and you will get a full screen alert with long sound. Now tap on the long sound option. In here, you can also choose a sound that you would like to use. So you can choose a sound, you can set the sound volume. And that's it. So up here at the top, you can also ignore sound settings. So play alert sounds even when the phone is set to silent. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.